Laws of exponents. Product law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. When numbers are in the exponent form with the same base, that is a, to get their product, that is to multiply, add their powers keeping the base same. So what does the product law say? When numbers are in the same exponent form with the same base, to get their product, we need to add their powers keeping the base same. Let us solve few examples for product law. Here we have 3 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 6. What does our law say? When we are multiplying with the same bases of different exponents, we need to just add the exponents keeping the base as it is, right? So we have 3 raised to the power 4 plus 6. So on adding the powers, we get 3 to the power of 10. Quotient law. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. When a number in exponent form is divided by another number in the exponent form having the same base, here we have same base a, we need to subtract the powers by keeping the base as it is. That's what the quotient law says. 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2 to the power of 3, which is equal to 2 to the power of 8 minus 3. On subtracting the powers, we get 2 to the power of 5. Now let us expand this 2 to the power of 5. So we are multiplying 2 5 times, which is equal to 32. Power law. A to the power of n, the whole raised to the power n, is equal to a to the power of m into n. When a number in the indexed form is raised to another index, that is n, the base is raised to the product of these two indices, that is base a is raised to the product m and n. For example, 4 to the power of 3, the whole raised to the power of 2 is, so according to the power law, we are going to multiply these two indices on the base 4. So it is 4 to the power of 3 into 2. That is 4 raised to the power of 6. 4 to the power of 6 means we are multiplying 4 6 times. On multiplying, we get 4096. When we have power to the product of two different bases, that is a and b, this can be written as a to the power of m into a to the power b to the power of m. Here in this, we have two different bases which are divided and raised to the same power m. Okay, so a by b, the whole raised to the power of m, can be written as a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Means this power belongs to a as well as b. The other rule, the other indices says if any base raised to 0, it is always equal to 1. Suppose we have negative index to any base, then that can be written as positive index by writing 1 divided by a to the power of m. Let us recall what we have learned in this video. We have learned about the power law, quotient law and the product law. And we also learned about more of index, right? More about indices. That is, any base raised to the power of 0 is 1 and any base raised to the negative index can be written as positive index by writing in the fraction form 1 divided by a to the power of m.